In this lesson, we are going to talk about different computing models we have. Generally, we talk about three computing models. We have the IaaS, infrastructure as a service, PaaS, platform as a service, and SaaS, software as a service. And basically, these are like sharing responsibility model, like who share the responsibility, what kind of responsibility you share, and what kind of responsibility shared by the cloud vendor, cloud provider. So, and I want to start this with an analogy. Let's think about the difference between having your own car, having a rental car, taking a taxi, or taking a bus. Just think about the difference between these. Now, when we talk about having our own car, basically we are responsible for everything. We have to think about the maintenance, the insurance, if we want to upgrade that. So each and everything from top to toe, we are responsible for that. When we talk about the rental car, actually most of the things are still managed by us. We have to drive that car. We have to make sure that we have insurance while driving that car. We have to think about the fuel. We have to think about navigation, where exactly we have to go. But at the same time, this car is not owning by us. This car is owning by some other company. They think about the maintenance. They think about if they need to upgrade that. We don't do that on their behalf, right? So it's a sharing responsibility. We share something and they share something. And then we have the taxi. In taxi, again, most of the things are shared by the company, or whoever is owning that car. So he will drive the car. He will make sure that he has the proper insurance. He will take care of the fuel, maintenance, and everything. All we have to do is to make sure that driver understand where exactly we have to go. In case of bus, we even don't do that. We can't do that. Bus has the fixed route. They will start from somewhere and they will reach somewhere. All we can do is get into the bus, use it, and get out of the bus and just pay for whatever we use it, right? So in one sense, we do not share any responsibility except we just pay for what we use. Now, if we think about from cloud perspective, this is exactly we have these three different services. We have infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Now, first of all, we have the on-premises. This is like owning our own car. That means this is our own premises data center and we are responsible for everything. We are responsible for our servers, for our storage, networking, security, what kind of operating system we want, when we want to have the patching, our application data. So it's our own premises data center and we just are responsible for each and everything. The next one is IaaS, infrastructure as a service. That means cloud provider will provide us the infrastructure. They will give us the server, storage, networking, virtualization, cable, some level of security, and then we don't have to think about renting that building, electricity, cooling. So we don't have to think about all those of things. So infrastructure will be provided by the vendor. But now what we want to do on that infrastructure, what kind of operating system we want, what kind of middleware we want, what kind of application or data or what kind of softwares we want to install on that, all of this is our responsibility. This is my responsibility. And that's why this is infrastructure as a service. This is like renting a car. Car is not mine. Similarly, the infrastructure is not mine, but I can use that infrastructure the way I want. Second, we have the platform as a service. In this case, in addition of all that hardware, operating system, and the platform as a, what kind of software or, different tools we want, that is also provided by the vendor only. All we have to think about is the development of our application, that what is my business need, what kind of application I want, how to develop that. All I have to think about is that. For everything else, vendor will be responsible. This is like having a taxi. All we need is just direction, what exactly we want to develop. Otherwise, everything will be provided by vendor. Next we have is the software as a service. This is like a bus. That means everything is provided by vendor only. We can just use that software. So for example, we have example of Gmail. Now in the Gmail, we can do some configurations, but most of the time we cannot change the features of the Gmail. Tomorrow, if I want to have some other feature or if I want to remove some feature, I cannot do that. I can just use it the way I want to. And this is like a bus, we cannot change the route of the bus. We can just get into the bus, use it and just pay for it. That's it. So basically, once again, it depends that who is responsible for what. It's a sharing the responsibility. It's basically what vendor is providing. Is it just providing the hardware? Is it providing the platform? That means the operating systems and different softwares and tools. Or if it is a software as a service, where even the application is provided by the vendor. Now, in terms of AWS, we have different services. For example, we have EC2, which is like the IaaS, infrastructure as a service. We have the RDS, relational database service, which is like the PaaS. So this is the platform as a service. We can use database directly and we can develop our applications. And then we also have a SaaS type of services like storage services or key management service, KMS, or DynamoDB, which is NoSQL database. So these services, we can just directly use it, and we can do a little bit of configuration here and there, but mostly the features and the functionality are fixed. We cannot change that. So these are like the bus. And as we go toward the SaaS, we can see that these applications are less customizable, but at the same time, we have the less responsibility also. And as we go toward the IaaS, infrastructure as a service, we can do more customization, and at the same time, we have more responsibility also. All right, so I hope that difference between these three are clear, and this is important from certification point of view. Thank you so much.